Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a killer Sudoku in the puzzle page of the Saturday edition. Saturday, June the 17th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. Well, it's not actually a 3 stars, 0 stars. Alright, this one. Killer Sudoku, yeah. Maybe newspaper correct here, okay. Killer Sudoku number, this won't be number 6609. And we have here two given numbers. The 6, given number 6 in this triple box of 12. That means that those two boxes together should be a 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. And we have a given number 3 in a triple box of the 8. Triple box 8. That means that those two boxes together should be a 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 3. Alright. Okay. For Sudoku Killer Sudoku, my time limit 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. If we compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in Ade Snow, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First, a strategy for a Killer Sudoku is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3. I'm looking for 1 sharing box. This one has 1. Yeah. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1. So we have 2 big squares with 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Alright. So double 12 is 24. 20. What you need to know first is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a row, well, we have a row here with 1 sharing box, is 45. Alright, so double 12 is 24. Double 10, 20. So 20 plus 24 is 44. So 45 minus 44 is a 1. 44. Sorry, 45 minus 44 is a 1. Yeah. Okay. Well. That means in this box of 10, the combination here will be 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Now we have here 1, 2 sharing box. Okay, we go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 13 plus 12 is 25 plus 5 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. So 45 minus 40 is a 5. In the box of 11, the combination here will be 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Alright. Let me go up. Okay. Well, we have one row, 2 rows, or maybe, yeah, 2 rows with 1 sharing box here and here with 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Well, 12 plus 13 is 25, plus 11 is 36. So 45 minus 36 is a 9. In the box of 17, the combination here will be 9 plus 8. We go to this row. 10 plus 20 is 40. So 45 minus 40 is a 5. In the box of 14, the combination here will be 5 plus 9. Alright. Now, we have in this row one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So, double 12 is 24, plus 4 is 28, 28 plus 9 is 37. So 45 minus 37 is an 8. This box should be an 8. In the box of 10, the combination here will be 8 plus 2. Okay, can we do this the same here? Yeah. 13 plus 7 is 20. Double 8 is 16. So 16 plus 20 is 36. 36, so 45 minus 36 is a 9. This box should be a 9. In the box of 10, the combination here will be 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Okay. My next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. Only one combination. For example, the box of 4. Only one combination. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Let me scan for boxes with one combination. Box of 16, only one combination. 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and 7 goes there. Let me check. A box of 17, only one combination. 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. Alright. Well, we go to this big square. The box of 5, there are two combinations for the box of 5. 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3. Well, the 1 is already used in this big square, so 1 and the 4 I cannot use. So the 2 and the 3 are left. 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3. Okay. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 should be in the box of 13. Combination here will be 6 and 7. 6 plus 7, 6 plus 7. So two numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, and 3. 4 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Let me mark those. Two boxes. Okay. Well, we go to this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. Well, I cannot place the 6 in the box of 12. Otherwise, I need another 6. Double 6 is not allowed. So it should be in the box of 10. 6 and a 4. 6 and a 4. Okay. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in this row. So no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 goes in this box of 12. Combination here will be 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square. For the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 7 and a 5. 7 and a 5. That means we have two missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 4. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 2 and a 4. Let me mark those. 2 and a 4. Okay. Let me see which number can I pick. Well. Let me see. 9 and the 6. 9. Need 8 here. Well, 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between. The only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 7, of course, otherwise I need minus 1. I cannot place in the box of 6, otherwise I need minus 2. Well, the lowest number I can use is a 1. Yeah, so I cannot place it there, so it should be here, the 8. In the box of 10, the combination will be 8 plus 2. Alright. So 2 could be here, 2 and a 5. Okay. Let me think. Let me think. 5. Well, in this row, we have the box of 5 and a box of 7. One of the missing number in this row is the number 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 in one of those two boxes. Otherwise, I need another digit, and should be a 0. Yes, 5 plus 0 plus 3 is equal to 8. Well, 0 is not allowed. So 5 should be in the box of 7. Combination will be 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. 1 is missing, 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4, let me mark those. 1 and a 4. Right. This column, we have one sharing box. If you count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 10 plus 11 plus 15 is 36. 36 plus 1 is 37. Plus 5 is 42. Yeah, 42. So 45 minus 42 is a 3 then. Yeah, we got you number 3. So 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So the column between only 2 places left, 1 3 should be here or there. I cannot place the 3 in the box of 6, otherwise I need another 3. Double 3 is not allowed, so the 3 should be here. Combination in the box of 7 will be 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Okay. 1 is missing here in this big square. But I cannot place the 1 here because we already have 1 in this column, no 1 there. I cannot place the 1 there because in the box of 13, then the combination will be 1 plus 12. 12 is not allowed. The highest number I can use is the number 9. So the 1 should be there in this quadra box of 13. That means that those two boxes together, we have a 3 and a 1, it should be a 4. 30 minus 4 is a 9. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Okay, so we have a 9 here. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Well, if I place the 7 here in the box of 15, then the combination will be 7 plus 8. Well, we already have an 8 in this column, so it cannot be there, the 7. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then the combination will be in the box of 15, 6 plus 9. Here, the combination in the box of 13, the combination will be 7 plus 6. Alright. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there, and a 4 goes here. One of the missing number in this column. 2 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. In the box of 11, the combination will be 4 plus 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for us. 1 is missing, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 7 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in the last row for the master. 1, 2 is missing, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. Yeah, the 5. In the box of 6, the combination will be 5 plus 1. Alright, 2 numbers. No. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 now in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this column for us. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Well, I cannot place the 3 there. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. In the box of 13, the combination will be 8 plus 5. 5. We have a 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We have a 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10, of course. Otherwise, I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed. So here can also not be a 5. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. In the box of 6, the combination will be 5 plus 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the first 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4. The 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 7 and 3, 7 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 7 goes there. In this quadra box of 20, we have a 7 and 3. 7 plus 3 is 10, so those two boxes together should be also a 10. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Alright. Yeah. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these two boxes. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13 in this triple box of 14. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and 8. 2 and 8 in the box of 10. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 2 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here, 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. In the box of 12, the combination will be 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 7 and 6, we have a 7 now. In the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, no need to place left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. In the box of 11, the combination will be 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. The 1 in this column, third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. In the box of 5, the combination will be 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 4 and 8, we have a 4 now in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the first row for the most. 1, 2 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 10 plus 7 is 17, plus 3 is equal to 20. 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. In the box of 12, the combination will be 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. 1 to 2, 3 is missing. The 4 to 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square from us. 1 to 2, 3, the 4 to 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and 7. Well, the 7 should be here because in the box of 13, 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. And the 6 goes there. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Finish in 19 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. Because time limit for a Killer Sudoku, 20 to 30 minutes. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.